temples, forests, and cliffs. We climb our way up to heaven, taking on Hong Kong's toughest walk. This is Drone and Fern.
Welcome back to episode 5 of DJ's Best 5 Hong Kong Walks. Where are we here today?
Well, it's a lovely day, nice and hot. We're going to try what was the toughest of Hong Kong walks when we did the 5 toughest Hong Kong walks. This one got the vote. We're going to be going right up there, up the Lantau Peak, going up through the North Heavens Gate, doing a little loop and then coming back up again through the South Heavens Gate. It was so tough last time we didn't manage to do it.
Before we start, quick shout out to Kylas. Thank you for your stuff. We love your stuff. And let's go.
You got enough water?
I got 4 liters.
4 liters of water. Come on, let's go.
In this series of Drone and Fern, DJ is revisiting his 5 best spots in Hong Kong. Although some have called it a concrete jungle, Hong Kong actually has abundant hiking trails through the mountains that surround the city, covering about 60% of the total land area. If you haven't been on a hike in Hong Kong, you have missed what we feel is the best part of the city. In the final episode of this series, we take on what we believe to be Hong Kong's toughest walk. Starting at Set Mun Gap, we take a gentle path up to Lo Hong Temple. After passing through numerous monasteries, the entrance to heaven is right in front of us.
Look out for this.
Look for the ribbon.
Red ribbon.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
It's a steep climb and DJ has some solid advice.
So just make sure you got a good grip on each foot before you push up on it. I always think, what happens if I slip? What am I going to grab onto? So we've done about the first third of that climb. How's it gone?
It's bushy, it's wet, it's muddy, it's steep. Everything you don't want on the hiking trail. It has everything.
Just like Jack. Complain, complain, complain.
I was too naive. If I had known what lay ahead of me, the first climb was the easy part. I realized that when I saw DJ put this out.
You know how you love this Kailas stuff?
Yes,
We're big fans of Kailas. Well, for something like this and a man like you, I think we need a little bit of extra Kailas equipment. So lucky for you, I have brought along with me, and just take that out, your Kailas safety helmet. There we go. Better safe than sorry.
You're basically saying I might have the chance I would die.
It doesn't fit. It's got a much bigger head than me. Okay?
Yeah. Time to the heaven.
Time to go up to heaven.
Oh my god. I almost died there, man. It's a tough climb up and definitely not for amateur hikers. We strongly recommend you go with a professional guide if you want to take this hike on. The climbs are challenging and it's even more dangerous going down. With tears and sweat, I finally make it.
I want to die.
But then there was more bad news.
What we've done so far, George, is just the easy bit. That's the Lantau Tower.
That was the easy bit?
Now we're going to do the Heaven's Gate. So just going to have to take it cool. There's not actually much climbing to do. That's the good news. But it's going to be quite steep. But it's up, it's not down.
Look at my hopeless face. That was like very close to death, you know? You're responsible for my safety, okay, DJ? From the Lantau Tower, we visit a large cave before a sharp descent down a steep slope to bring us to North Heaven's Gate. From there, it's a steep climb up with one very scary traverse along the ledge.
Okay, George, well, we've reached the most exciting part of this walk. We're going to go along a ridge here. Now, it's not too difficult, but there is, as I turn around here, a very steep drop on this side. So it's all about keeping your guts. I'm going to stay with you. You've got a rope as well, just to keep you secure. Just try not to think about it. It's nice and easy. Go steady.
Promise me I won't die. Promise me.
You won't die.
Once the traverse is complete, it's a short scamble up to the top of Hong Kong's second tallest mountain, Lantau Peak. There are different routes off the peak, some easy paths, but of course, for us, DJ has something much more challenging.
So we made it up from down here. This is the Tung Chong where we've come from. Can't really see the angle that we've been to. We are going to eventually get back onto this path over here, but before that, we're going to take on the South Heaven's Gate, and to do that, we need to come down this path over here, drop down a little bit, go across, and then up to the South Heaven's Gate. George's legs are shaking, which is why he's not standing on here right now. Gonna get a drone shot, and then we'll get going.
On our way down, we join section 3 of the Lantau Trail towards Lantau before veering off on a small ribbon path that chases the contour of the mountainside past Skylight Rock. Again, the path is quite technical, with a lot of climbing and scrambling before finally reaching our final destination at the foot of South Heaven's Gate. The final stretch up is relatively easy compared to what we've done already, and it brings you back onto Lantau Trail. From there, it's a gentle walk down to Bak Gong Ao, which on a clear day offers stunning views on both sides of the ridge.
Well, that's it. This is the last in the series of DJ's 5 best picks. Unfortunately, George did not make it on this last one. We lost him somewhere on the... Oh, George, you made it.
Of course.
Well done. It's been only about 6k, probably got another 3 or 4k to do to get back from now. Been a fantastic day today. I've really enjoyed it. You, George?
It's very tough, and you got me on this one. I hate you, DJ.
Thanks to Kailas for your stuff. We love your stuff. As always, like and subscribe wherever you're watching this show. My name's DJ Clark.
I'm George.
And this
is Drone and Fern.
Is this the toughest walk?
This is the toughest day of my life.